Work immersion, safety in the workplace, education sector. Presented by Christina A. Padua, 12 UMS. Work immersion helps students experience real work environments in the education sector, especially for UMS students. Workplace safety ensures a secure and respectful space for learning and working. Number one is the importance of workplace safety. Firstly, it prevents accident and injuries. Second, it protects students, teachers, and staff. Thirdly, promotes discipline and responsibility. Lastly, supports a positive school/work environment. For physical and health safety, you must follow school rules and safety signs. Second is walk properly in hallways and stairs. Be careful. Third, practice proper hygiene and cleanliness for health. And lastly, handle school materials carefully. For emergency and professional safety, you have to know evacuation routes and emergency procedure places. Second is you must stay calm and follow instructions during drills to avoid chaotic situations. Respect authority, work, and school policies. Avoid unsafe or disruptive behavior. In conclusion, workplace safety in education is everyone's responsibility. By following safety guidelines, UM students can work completely while being safe and effective during work. You just not learned, you also is safe during the learning process. Reflection number 1. Workplace safety tips and practices contribute to the overall well-being of employees by protecting them from accidents, injuries, and health risks. When safety guidelines are followed, employees feel more secure and confident in their work environment. This reduces stress and anxiety because workers know that their health is being prioritized. A safe workplace also promotes productivity since employees can focus on their tasks without fear of harm. Overall, safety practices help create a positive and supportive working atmosphere. Number 2 reflection. As a future working professional, I can apply all the safety measures by consistently following workplace rules and safety protocols. I will make sure to use proper equipment and report any unsafe conditions immediately. Practice awareness and responsibility can help prevent accidents, not only for myself but also for others. I can also encourage my coworkers to follow safety guidelines and participate in safety training. By doing so, I can contribute to a safer, healthier, and more professional work environment that ensures not only the employers are responsible but also the workers. That's all. Thank you.